Hello everyone. In this Excel file, we develop a software that can rename the files in the folder. Before we start to introduce this software, I should tell you, if you open this Excel file for the first time, you have to enable the content of this file because it's developed based on the VBA macros, and so that it gets some security errors to enable the content and enable the macros. For the first one, first yellow ribbon here, the security warning, please enable the content, and the second one will appear, will be the security warning for the macro. If it's in this case we didn't see that, or for your Excel file you may see that, so please enable it. Okay, before I start, you see two columns here, A and B. The first one will show you the exited file names, and the second one is the name that you should write here for the files to change the current name. For example, if you push the button here, getting name, the folder pickup will show to you. You can go to the specific folder. For example, in my computer I want to go to here, and in the multimedia I know I have some movies, or you can go to the movie folder here, and if you press OK, you will see the name of all files in the movie folder. If I can show you here, it's this folder. All these files name will be appear in the Excel file in the column A, so you can see those. Now you can change them by writing your desired name in the second folder. For example, here the disable of me, I want to change it. I want to change the dot to the space and off. The space and off. The escapable of me. Escapable of me. Desperado, I know it's a Desperado 1, so I want to change it to the 1 here, and all other changes you want, you can simply copy paste those. You don't want to change them here. For example, I don't want to change others, or let's change them a little bit. For example, the Jumanji, this one, for seeing how they will change in the real file. Okay, and this one. And this one. Okay, so after you change and you edit your names, your desired names, you should simply go here and press the renaming button. After that, they ask you the folder, which folder you want to rename the files. It's because that if you press cancel, no folder is selected and there is no change. You cannot see any changes. This is because that if you simply delete those, it will go and rename the desired files in the folder that you specify. So you can use these separately, or you can use the combination of them. So press rename, choose again the movie folder, and press OK. After you press the OK, the files here will change it to the desired names. And if you see that the disable of me here, it's returned as a disable.me. And if you go to the file, you can see it's changed to the disable of me by your desire, or Desperado 1 and others. So this is a very handy Excel file. You can use it when you have the folder with lots of files and you want to edit the names there, you want to change name, you want to classify them, and all other things. And it will be really useful, and I by myself use it a lot. Thanks for listening it, and I hope it's useful for you too. Goodbye.